Good morning, and welcome to a Boston Global Forum on worker rights and safety. It's part of our year-long effort to promote discussion and awareness of workers' issues in the aftermath of last year's tragedy at Rana Plaza. I'm Tom Patterson, a co-founder of Boston Global Forum, and I'm on the faculty here at Harvard University's Kennedy School of Government. I'll moderate the program this morning, and you'll be able to hear from people who know a lot more about this issue than I do. We're going to be talking about the issue generally and also to announce an initiative where we're going to try to identify companies that have exemplary records in this area. You'll be hearing first from Governor Michael Dukakis, 1988 Democratic presidential nominee, two-time governor of Massachusetts. Mike is on the faculty of Northeastern University. He directs the Center for Urban and Regional Policy, which bears his name and that of his wife, Kitty. And Mike's the envy of those of us who have been working through these northeastern snowstorms. He also has a faculty position at UCLA, where he is today. Governor Dukakis is Boston Global Forum's chairman and a co-founder. Governor, good morning.
Tom, good morning, and it's good to be able to greet you from sunny California, where the temperature will be 75 today. We're thinking of all of you in the Northeast. But Kitty and I will be back in April at about the time the magnolias are blooming on Commonwealth Avenue in Boston, so we look forward to seeing you. And I want to greet all of our participants and viewers and listeners. Many of you were involved in our first online conference on the 18th of November. And you know, as Professor Patterson has pointed out, that the Boston Global Forum is designed to bring people together around major issues affecting our international community, and for reasons that I think should be obvious to everybody, especially as a result of the disasters in Bangladesh. We decided to pick international occupational safety and health standards as our first topic, and that was the topic of a wonderful discussion which we had online with hundreds of you on the 18th of November. For those of you who are interested, the transcript and the audio from the conference can still be found on our website, and you will find that the conference featured some really terrific people: Congressman Sandra Levin, Senator Tom Harkin, Jeff Kriller, who's the president of the Alliance for Bangladesh Worker Safety, Liana Foxfog, who's Director of Organizing and Communications of the International Labor Rights Forum. Many others in our conference received good coverage in the New York Times as well. Now we're seeking to build on the success of that first conference by launching a new and exciting initiative to recognize companies who are leading the way through the use of best practices for worker safety and rights. A lot of these companies have gotten real criticism and justifiable criticism, but there are companies out there that are doing their best to make a real difference, and we want to honor them and recognize them. So we'll be nominating companies and brands and retailers that we feel are leading the way in the use of best practices. Ultimately, we hope that this will result in continued discussion of how brands and retailers can promote worker safety and rights, as well as provide guidance for companies who have not yet adopted these best practices. Bearing this in mind, we're very pleased to have contributions today from Professor Arnold Zak, Marcy Goldstein-Gelb, and Rick Smith as part of our launch. We hope that you will continue to engage with us as we seek creative solutions for the issue of worker safety and rights. Thank you all so much for your participation and continued support. And it's just a delight to be part of this online forum today and to listen and learn, and we hope act to make this world a better place and to make sure that workers all over the world have the kinds of protections that they need and that they deserve. Tom, back to you.
Oh, Governor, let me ask you one quick question. What's the rough timeline on kind of nominations and the opportunity to send us information about companies that...
We'll be working on this over the next several weeks, but we encourage people to nominate companies and individuals who are doing the right thing, and we'll be bringing those nominees to all of you, and we hope not only honoring them, but holding them up as examples of what we expect from all businesses who are involved in this process.
Good. Thank you, Governor Dukakis. We're going to hear next from Arnold Zak, a long-time labor management mediator, very distinguished career of public service, both in the United States and abroad. Arnold teaches at the Harvard Law School, where he's Senior Research Associate in the Labor and Work-Life Program.